Of a dog.
Ow.
No coaching, tatay. What is the sound of a cat?
Why? Why again? Explain natin.
What is the sound of a
duck?
duck?
Why? Why zero?
What is the sound of a dog? What is the sound of a cat? Wow. What is the sound of a goat? Meh. What is the sound of a horse? Yeah. What is the sound of a cow? Mo. What is the sound of a bird?
Wala. What's the sound of a car?
What's the sound of a car? Good. What is the sound of a tuko? Tuko. Favorite mo ginag tuko? What's the sound of a snake? Very good. What is the sound of a duck? Yeah. Smile na yan. Smile.
Quack.
Sing. Sing. What do you want Mama to sing? Huh? What do you want Mama to sing? What is this? Comb. Where's your head? Where's your head?
Why next time, Guru?
Head.
Tigani.
Where's your tummy? Tummy.
Tummy ko, no?
Where's your tummy, Abby?
Where's your tummy ko, no?
Where's your tummy, Abby? Tummy. Where's your tummy, Pangga?
Green light means? Go.
Green.
Red light means? Why na? Guba na yung mga ano.